tomb, O marriage chamber, hallowed out the house that will watch forever where I go, to my own people who are mostly there. Persephone has taken them to her, last of them all, ill-fated past the rest. Shall I descend before my course is run? Still, when I get there, I may hope to find I come as a dear friend to you, my dear father, to you, my mother, and my brother too. All three of you have known my hand in death. I washed your bodies, dressed them for the grave. Still, as she waits, the rain and snow companion her. Pouring down from her mourning eyes comes the water that soaks the stone. Laughter against me now, in the name of our father's God. Could you not wait till I went? Must affront be thrown in my face? O city of wealthy men, I call upon Dirce's springs, I call upon Thebes' grove in the armored plain to be my witnesses. How, with no friends mourning, by what decree I go to the fresh-made prison tomb, alive to the place of corpses, an alien still, never at home with the living, nor with the dead. You speak of my darkest thought. My pitiful father's fame spread through all the world, and the doom that haunts your house, the royal house of Thebes. My mother's marriage bed, destruction where she lay with her husband's son, my father. These are my parents, and I, their child. O town of my fathers in Thebes land, O gods of our house, I am led away at last. All of the suffering, all of the pain I felt, it is all worth it. Look, leaders of Thebes, I am last of your royal line. Look at what I suffer, at whose command? Because I respected the right.